Whoa! Why? Hello Vlogs fam, welcome to another video. Pag bago ka dito, make sure you hit the subscribe button, pati na din yung notification bell. Huwag nyo kalimutan din i-follow yung Spotify playlist ko, link in the description down below. Yung mga kantang nandun is yung mga kantang magagawa ko, pati na din yung mga kantang pinoproduce ko. So pag hindi nyo alam yung mga ibang kanta ko, at saka yung mga ibang kantang pinoproduce ko, just follow the playlist man, para maging updated kayo palagi. Kasi yun nga, every month may bagong kanta akong isa. So pag di kayo updated sa mga ibang social media ko, so just follow the playlist and you're gonna be updated to anything, okay? And then let's get to the video. Today Flex fam, try natin ulit pumunta sa bahay ng mga kaibigan ko. Na-try natin nga like last time, pero di nila ako pinick up man. Late sila pumunta. So see na lang siguro pag pick upin ako o hindi. I don't know man. Wala nga tayo ako. I'm just gonna make a beat bro. Record yun na lang. You guys just fucking listen bro. Ayaw ko sa akin yung oras ko magantayin na may possibility hindi rin matuloy, you know. And lagyan natin ng effects. Yung effects na bagay dito is some delay, some filters, some little bit of reverb, I guess, something like that. But I'm gonna duck the delay. I'm gonna use this boom bap drums na di ko pa nagamit para matry ko lang yung mga tunog niya man. You know, experiment din pa minsan-minsan, you know. It's okay. Copy ko nga yung main sound and high pitch ko. What is this? 200 cents plus 12 is to 10. Okay. Parinig ko sa inyo yun. Diba? I told you bro. Three, two, one. Oh shit! Wait! I got an idea. I know how to play bass, but like not in the fucking piano roll, bro. Tang tang. Find that note, Xage. Find that note. Oh, there we go. Something like this. But I'm gonna pull it up one more note, up or down. Let's try this. Oh, that's actually late, but let's try that. Whoa! Why?
First time ba, no?
No! Sana nga, hopefully, fucking save this shit, bro! Ah! Man, so fucking stressed. I'm so stressed. You guys think this is good enough? Di ako kayo marinig, but I think this is good enough, bro. let's try to add something sa arcade. Something vocalish or perk. I don't fucking know. Ito lang yung tunog na gusto kong i-add, pero with the bass as well. At natapos ko na lang yung beat, hindi pa rin dumating yung mga kaibigan ko, hindi pa rin tumawag. So let's make another one, bro. Okay, nandito ulit ako sa Splice. Kinuha ko na yung sapatos ko. Kasi parang di tayo aalis. But yeah. If you get a bounce, bro, that's the beat. Basic beat nga, di ba? I think I can do shit like not trash, but there's an idea, but di ko matapos-tapos, so not right now, pero maybe one day matapos ko to. So I'm gonna name this. Alright man, dito ko tatapusin yung video. Thank you for watching, guys. Obviously, gawa pa ako ng ibang beats. It's 5:17. We got like 30 more minutes. Yantayin natin sila, but I'm not gonna make this video long. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Hope you guys like the beats that I made, even though may iba tayong you know, yung weird shit na nagawa natin. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that shit. If you did, subscribe na din kayo, bro. Like, follow nyo din ako sa IG ko, man. Kasi doon ko upload, not really upload. Doon ko upload yung mga snippets ko dito sa beats na ginagawa ko every day, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Peace.
Xaje's about to flex.